Mastermind Business System bonuses, get the best on the planet. Are you looking for the best Mastermind Business System bonuses on the planet? If so, you're in the right place. I know there are tons of affiliates offering MBS bonuses, but let's be honest, most of them are just fluff. Only a handful actually deliver real value. That's why I'm excited to share this. I've put together the most powerful bonus package available for MBS, and you won't want to miss it. Quick question, do you know who Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi turn to when it comes to marketing strategy? Even though they're legends, they still rely on experts behind the scenes to sharpen their edge. And their go-to guy? Jason Fladlien, the $100 million webinar master himself. Well, I've teamed up with Jason's team to bring you something truly next level. These exclusive bonuses were built to accelerate your success with MBS. And here's the best part, you get them 100% free when you enroll through my page. Bonus number 1. Jason Fladlien's Evergreen Webinar System. Value, $2,997. If you've ever dreamed of building a business that sells for you 24/7, while you sleep, spend time with family, or focus on your next big idea, this bonus is your blueprint. Jason Fladlien, known as the $100 million webinar man, has helped Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, Russell Brunson, and dozens of 8- and 9-figure entrepreneurs scale their sales machines. And now, you get access to his private 3-hour Genius Network session, a rare training not available to the public. This isn't theory. This is the exact evergreen webinar strategy Jason used to generate tens of millions in sales without needing to show up live. Here's what you'll learn inside. The 4-step evergreen webinar system, Jason's step-by-step process that turns one great talk into an automated sales engine. Run it once, and let it sell for you over and over. The power of compounding conversions. Learn how to design a webinar that doesn't just inform, it converts. Whether someone watches the whole thing or drops off early, your message will stick. The 4 psychological conversion triggers. These triggers are hardwired into human behavior, and when used correctly, they make it almost impossible to say no. The 3 most common webinar mistakes, and how to fix them before they kill your sales. This bonus is perfect for you if you want to launch a digital course, a group coaching program, a high-ticket service, or even a simple $47 offer. It works whether you're just getting started or already generating traffic. Bottom line. If you can get someone to watch your message, this system will show you how to turn that attention into income, on autopilot. Bonus number 2, SEO Traffic Mastery. Value, $997. If you want traffic without constantly spending on ads, this is your golden path. I've personally used SEO to generate tens of thousands of visitors, and now I'm handing you my entire blueprint. Inside this bonus, you'll get a step-by-step system for finding low competition, high-converting keywords that actually get you ranked. Real examples showing how I write content that attracts buyers, not just traffic. How to choose a domain name that builds brand trust and search authority. Why every visitor could be worth $20 or more, and how to structure your content to make that happen. This is the same strategy I've used to build long-term assets online. If your business is built on trust, expertise, or content, SEO isn't optional, it's your edge. And this bonus makes it simple. Bonus number 3, Know Your Customer, the 12-part framework for unlimited sales. Value, $997. Struggling to sell your knowledge or get people to say yes? The problem isn't your offer, it's your messaging. Jason Fladlien breaks down how to deeply understand your ideal customer with his 12-part training. These insights will transform the way you write, speak, and sell. You'll discover how to identify your customers' hidden fears and desires before they say a word. Jason's empathy map that helps you write emails, sales pages, and ads that feel personal. The 4 invisible objections stopping people from buying, and how to dissolve them without pressure. Why you might be just one shift away from unlocking your offer's true potential. This framework has been used to sell to millions. Now, it's yours to use to connect, resonate, and convert. Bonus number 4, crushing the objections. Value, $997. Sales isn't just about offering value, it's about removing resistance. In this advanced bonus, Jason dives deep into the psychology of objections and shows you how to ethically rewire your audience's hesitation into confidence. Here's what you'll learn. The 2 primal motivations behind every buying decision, and how to trigger the right one. The marketer-customer disconnect that kills sales, and how to bridge it fast. The number 1 hidden reason people don't buy, hint, it's not time or money. How to reshape limiting beliefs that block purchases, and open people up to your solution. If you've ever felt stuck trying to convince someone, this bonus will flip the script and help them convince themselves. Bonus number 5, Content Forever System. Value, $997. Content is king, but most people get stuck trying to create the perfect video, blog post, or lead magnet. Jason shows you a smarter way. Here's what this bonus unlocks. The 5 key benefits of this content system, and the 4 mistakes that slow most creators down. How to create ugly content that outperforms polished work from the pros. Behind-the-scenes breakdowns of written, audio, and video content, so you can swipe what works. 6 tweaks you can make today to attract more customers. You'll also learn how to get into content flow, so you can create in hours what others take days to finish. Bonus number 6, double your productivity. Value, $49.95. Feeling overwhelmed? This bonus is the mental reset and action plan you need to move twice as fast with half the stress. In this powerful productivity training, Jason reveals how to complete your most time-consuming task in a quarter of the usual time. A mental reframe that lets you smash through procrastination and perfectionism. The exact process he used to create a product in 2 hours that made $7,000 in 4 days. How to work with your brain's wiring instead of against it. Perfect if you're juggling multiple projects, feel stretched thin, or need to finally get momentum again. Bonus number 7, Fast Track Launch Planner. Value, $497. Most people never launch, not because they're lazy, but because they don't know where to start. This planner fixes that. It's your launch day GPS, complete with fill-in-the-blank templates to refine your idea fast. A method to define your niche, unique angle, and core offer in under an hour. Steps to map out your first 3 content pillars and turn your story into a clear transformation. If you're tired of spinning your wheels, this planner gives you structure. You'll go from, I think I have an idea, to, here's my first offer, in less than 60 minutes. Bonus number 8, 10 proven funnels for coaches and experts. Value, $497. Why guess when you can start with what's already working? This swipe file gives you 10 plug-and-play funnel frameworks tailored for coaches, consultants, course creators, digital product sellers. You'll get opt-in page layouts, webinar flows, email sequences, and thank you page structures, all annotated with strategy tips and high-converting language. These aren't vague outlines. They're step-by-step systems to launch fast, generate leads, and start making sales without months of funnel building. Bonus number 9, Magnetic Messaging Toolkit. Value, $497. Your words either attract or repel. This toolkit helps you make every word count. Here's what you'll get. Templates to write your homepage, lead magnet, about me, section, and video scripts. A framework to create a personal brand voice that builds trust and authority. Exercises to uncover your audience's emotional buying triggers, and reflect them in your message. A process for turning your story into a compelling reason to buy. The truth? People don't buy programs, they buy you. This toolkit helps them believe in you from the first click. Bonus number 10, One to Many, book by Jason Fladlien. Value, $19.95. This isn't just a book. It's a masterclass in print. Jason's One to Many is the gold standard for webinar selling, and you get it as a bonus. Russell Brunson calls Jason one of the smartest marketers alive, and this book proves it. Every chapter is packed with insights that most people would charge 4 figures to teach. You'll discover how to structure webinars that convert cold traffic, the exact pitch flow that generated 7-figure launches, and the famous paragraph on page 107 that top marketers say is worth the price 100x over. If you want to sell to the masses while keeping it personal, this book is your edge. Why these bonuses matter. MBS already works. But these bonuses? They give you speed and scale. Jason's system accelerates results. My SEO strategy builds long-term growth. Together, you're covered from launch to legacy. Ready to join the movement? If you're still watching, your gut is telling you something. This is your time. This isn't just about making money, it's about freedom, it's about meaning, it's about finally building a life that's yours. Here's how to get started plus claim your bonuses. Step 1. Clear your cookie. Step 2. Sign up for MBS through the link in the description. Step 3. Send your receipt to nicksasekabonus@gmail.com. Subject line: Nick, please send me the MBS bonuses. You'll get MBS bonus information within 24 hours. This is your moment. Choose to bet on you and let these bonuses help you make the leap from idea to impact.